welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you my outfit, one parcel, and of course I've got my Cassaday boots in the veggie colors. I'm trying more outfits with these boots, and I think it is okay. Maybe 4 colors. I know that blue, beige, white and black, so this is 4. Maybe a little bit too much. I can try with maybe a veggie coat over. So this is the actually leather dress, but can be worn as a coat, of course, with the belt. I love belts, and I will try with my. I really have to find a really nice beige coat. I've got one on my list. This is a Massimo Dutti coat, and it is this color, and this is leather with belt, short, so it's gonna be perfect because I don't want a too long coat. And because long coat, I've got the snake one, and I've got also black real leather. So I don't wanna any more long coats. I just wanna have beautiful beige coat, and I hope I will find it. I sent offer, and I hope that my offer will be accepted. So it's gonna be second hand, but it is brand new, so it is okay. I'm thinking about the Prada one, but it's more brown and it's very vintage. So I don't really feel a vintage vibe, and so not really. Maybe this Massimo Dutti it's more in trends, and you know it's more now than the vintage time. So okay, is it better? I hope so. So we can try this like that. I got this little parcel over here, and we can open it up. Actually, I'm sorry I did because I had to check if this is the correct thing inside. I don't want to have any more surprises because with my last order I have a few problems, you know, and this is very annoying that sometimes you don't like something and you want to send it back, and then they don't want to refund you money. And when you're asking all the time when you will get your refund, then they're telling you, and they're sending just picture of I don't know what, and telling you that you make a scratch. So nice. Is it just so? This is like, you know, you probably know why I'm talking about this. Anyway, this is beautiful Gucci box, and I will show you everything closer to the camera. I forgot to tell you about my new hair color. I know it is darker, more purple, but it's gonna be just for a few washes, and then it will come back to nice, cool blonde. So don't worry, I'm not going to be brunette or nothing like this. I know the blonde, it is my color. So this is the shopping bag. It can be always, like I said in the last video, can be used for shopping or something like that. So you can always carry this with you. One card and second card. There is an invoice inside there, and of course this little card with the thank you from Gucci. So my finger, it is better. Finally, just a little bit better. The accident last time happens to me so badly. Beautiful box, and no, this box I will put here. Oh my god. Those Gucci things are so beautiful, and this all packing, this is what you pay for actually. And the quality, of course, because I've been looking for something with silver, and this is a reversible belt, so it is so beautiful, very beautiful. Oh my god, my nails, that's why I have to wear gloves, because my nails are horrible. And this is not really good for this such videos. All we have to do is just pull this way, and then we've got beautiful belt in the nice color of navy. So it's gonna be good with any denim, any jeans, also navy trousers or something like that. It will be very beautiful. For now, I would like to come back to this. So it's very beautiful, and I will put it on my trousers. Just, oh my god, what's happened here? I need to grab scissors. So I've got size 75, and it is so perfect. I've got one belt in the size 70, and it isn't so good as this. All I can say, I really love it. Oh my god, this is such amazing piece that you can wear with your any denim or any trousers. Like I said, you can wear it all the time. So I really love Gucci belt. Of course, the big logo of Gucci, the huge logos that are like this, that are not really classy, not really elegant. So no. It's just a little bit bigger. It is okay, but this is the maximum for me. So I really love it, and it is amazing. Honestly, I can't use it to this hair. They are just a little bit too dark for me, but it is okay. They will be lighter with, like I say, 2 washes and it will be okay. But the fresh colors are sometimes just too dark for me. Especially now that I've got my hair is like 5 centimeters or 3 inches. I got already my hair, and then it's just, but I have to make the highlights. It's gonna be in October, so I can't wait. I will be super blonde again. Anyway, for now it is a little change, and well, all I can say, I really love my outfit today. I will stay like that for the rest of the day. Maybe I will go for shopping again, and well, guys, I really love this outfit. I think that the denim, there are of course Levi's, and I didn't say that. These Levi's are really good. They are really nice on the back, and on the front they are high waist. This is model 721 or something like this. They could be. I've got also the Wrangler. And with the next video I would like to show you the Wrangler, and you will tell me if the Levi's or Wrangler are better. But so far they are really good. I really like them. Nice color, this is enough to me. Really nice with this beige tones. Much better with black. With black it is too dark, maybe very sad. So yeah, I have to think about this beige coat, because this is what I really need in my wardrobe, and I don't care. I have to just buy it, and this is it, because I know that it's gonna be perfect coat to these boots, and I love these boots. I know that this outfit will be really cool with also the rodeo color, that more brown, and with the brown coat. So it's like, if you have many colors, you can make like 100 outfits with them. With the black, you can make a classy outfit, and of course, you can make so many nice outfits with the black, but black, it is black. And I think that if you have more colors, it is more fun. You know, fashion, it's not just one color. Fashion is everything. Guys, so for now this is it. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon in the next video. Please subscribe my channel, I will be very happy.